Good morning, guys. I hope everyone's doing well. It's 4th of February and we've been having some pretty exceptional weather. It's been quite hot, up in the roughly 24 centigrade during the day and only dropping to about 15 centigrade at night, so it's been pretty warm here. Today we've got an overcast day and just coming out taking advantage of that to get a few things done. It was actually supposed to rain today, but that's been moved a little bit, and actually I'm not convinced. I think we might miss it here, but it was predicted for today. Everything's gone really nice and green. I just spin you guys around and to show you that we've got really nice green fields here now, a couple of paddocks, and everything's looking very healthy. It's impossible to cut the grass in the mornings because there's heavy dew at the moment, so I'm having to do that in the late afternoon at the earliest. I'll probably try and get this done today. Later on needs another cut, just run over the top of it. Just keep on top just in case it does rain, because of course once we get the rain everything grows like crazy. And in fact last weekend, it's a Thursday today, last Saturday and Sunday I spent pretty much the whole weekend getting all the grass down, and it was quite difficult in places because it had really grown up. Plenty of lemons on the trees now, and this little orange tree, which has never really amounted to much, we've paid it some extra attention this year, and it's got some oranges on it. They're not sweet, they're quite bitter, but at least we've got some oranges on there and a bit of shape in it, so I should get those picked off and just shape it up a little bit more. Avocado trees are looking okay, not racing away, but you know, they're getting going. This one's got some avocado blossom on, so hopefully the bees will come up and give this a bit of love this year. And I'm not irrigating these at the moment, but I'm just going to give these a bit of water. This one's not too bad. We've got some little some very small buds coming here for blossom, so you know they're moving along, they're growing. Just ease that up a little bit, although they're not tight. This one failed straight away. We put this one in and it unfortunately just didn't get going, so sometimes you get a bad one. I actually didn't pay for these trees. I got them as a bit of an experiment, different varieties, just to see what would be the best for this soil up here. So we've actually got two different types of tree, and we're trying to see how they go. This one's got a little bit of some bud coming here, so yeah, they're moving along. You know, nothing dramatic, but I'm not going crazy with them. We're just giving them a chance to grow on their own. This one was going well, and then it died back, and so I had to trim it off to the graft where it had been grafted on. So it actually seems to be trying. We'll see. We'll see if it's trying to get going, and we'll see if it does. If not, we'll just pop it out and replace it. This one's always been quite healthy. This one's been a good tree. Again, we've got some buds here coming, so just see how we get along. Obviously everything's organic everything's organic on the whole farm now, so we do get a bit of insect on things, but everything's not too bad. This one's not looking too bad, and then the other one, not too inspiring, that one, but we've got some blossom on it, so again, it's having a go, trying. And I took the lemon tree out in the corner there the other day. It's an very old tree. I mean, all these trees are old in here. They're put in when the original lemon trees were put in. So They're all on their last legs really, but still producing lemons. This one's pretty heavy with lemons here. So, fig tree's looking healthy. I need to probably take a bit out the top of that before we start getting any buds on there. I think it is just starting to bud now. Yeah, just starting to get some buds on the ends now, so I might even have left it a bit late. I was going to take those top branches out where we've got the branches up the top there. But might have to just leave it now this year. I don't want to shock it. A couple of these branches can come off, a couple of dead bits here. Good time to see. Difficult to tell with the fig tree when things are healthy and when they're not. So when the buds are coming, it's a good time to check, because we've got plenty of buds on these, and yet that branch looks pretty ropey. You'd think it was dead, but actually it's okay. But this piece here off this tree, this is died back, which you can see because we've got no bud. So I'll pop that off here, and unfortunately it would be nice to take that off, but it's got some bud on it. So, but I cleared all out underneath the tree and got rid of all the low-hanging stuff as soon as we lost the last of the figs from last year. Cleaned it all out under there, so a bit more manageable this year. It got because of course when you get the weight of the fruit on these, they get really taken down. So if you've got anything really close to the ground, the fruit just gets ruined on the ground anyway. Nothing on these. I did cut these all the way back this year, these orange trees, so there's nothing on these this year, but they're looking quite healthy. So I'll give them a tidy up and then we'll see. Again, these lemon trees by the fence, last year I had a lot of lemons on these, but I cut these right back last year as well. They were getting out of hand, and I took one out in the middle there that was bad, so probably put an avocado tree in there, or maybe get a grapefruit tree, put a grapefruit tree in there and see how that goes. Quite a good position for a grapefruit tree, gets a nice amount of sun. Nice views today up to the mountains. I'll try and zoom in for you. I know this isn't too effective on the zoom, but zoom in and get you up there. It's yeah, nice day. Bit that kind of white mist in the air, but not unpleasant. Anyway, I will set you guys up for a time lapse, because I'm going to do a bit of strimming, weed whacking, and I know it's not that interesting, so I'll pop you there and just do a bit of that, and I'll catch up with you guys later on when I've got that done. So hope everyone's having a good day. I know I've seen quite a few of you guys on Facebook, etc. have got quite a bit of snow, so hope you're enjoying that. Hope you're able to enjoy it, and it's not too much of an inconvenience for you. And I must look at the camera. Sorry, I keep looking at the little screen under the camera. It's quite difficult to remember. I will get the hang of it. All right, guys, I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Right guys, well we've strimmed through everything in here, got everything knocked down. Old Cuckoo's there, Mr. Muttley. So on to our next jobs, which is just gonna get rid of all this mess here with the leaf blower, and just clear off the steps here and get rid of all that mess down there. And then as you can see, much better through under the trees. It's got quite thick under here actually, especially over this other side. Quite a bit of moisture over here, and it got really quite thick, so got that all down. At least if it does rain, it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, possibly a little bit of a showers, but these trees have done much better this year. These are volunteers under here, and they never really amounted to very much, but I had a bit of a go at them last year and tidied them up, and they've got a decent bit of fruit on. We'll see. These are actually Seville oranges, so they're marmalade oranges. They're not eating oranges. They're quite bitter. But yeah, much better this year. And then I don't know if you can see, everything's been being cleared over here. I've now, in the last couple of drone flights, we've flown over the top of that area, so that's been cleared out. Very old lemon trees there, and that's going to have avocado trees. These are, as you look down here, these are all avocado trees down here. That's all avocados, and so that whole area down the other side of that little hillock, and on the other side there will be avocados up to where the oranges start. You can see over there. Pocky wants to play football, don't you, Pocky? Let's go and have a quick game of football with Pocky and Kooky, and then come on, bring it up here. We've got the field, and I can get on with some work. I'll stick you guys up here. We've got a little table here, so stick you guys up here on the tripod. Right, let's have a go. See how we get on. A bit of football. Everyone's waiting, as you can see. Come on then. Who got my ball? Oh! Lollipops, mutts, cookies. Hey, kitty cooks. Ho, ho. Ori Pops, what are you doing? What are they doing, Ori? What are they up to? Eh? Get. Oi, Buggy, you got it. You got it. He goes. That was terrible, Pocky, wasn't it? That was terrible. He goes, oi, get it. Let's go. Oi, get it. Right, guys, they've had their football game, and just gonna use the leaf blower on the steps to get rid of the bits and pieces. There's not too much on there, but we'll just get rid of that before it gets dark. Lisa comes home and falls over on it. Just stick you on here. See the lemons here that came off that tree. Let's turn you guys around. So just a one crate and a little bucket there. That was the lemon tree I cut down the other day. Had quite a few lemons on it actually. Let's just stick you guys up on here. Some good eucalyptus the other day. A good pile of it here. That was all down by the river. Move you guys up a little bit. There we are. Yeah, a bit of avocado on this end that was waiting to be cut up down the bottom, and then eucalyptus in there. So we've got quite a decent amount of timber. Let's give that a chop. Mm-hmm. Very nice and dry, that eucalyptus. It's an old tree that came down a long time ago, and it sat for ages. So in fact somebody did try and set light to it down there at one time, and it really is very, very dry. Splits beautifully. Normally eucalyptus is not the easiest thing to split because the grain really goes round and round, but this stuff's really, really nice. You wait, Pocky, wait. Pocky likes to roll his ball down, so you pick it up. But he has to learn that some things are a bit dangerous for that. I only need to split a tub. I've got a tub inside for the fire. It's not really cold at night, it's just nice to have a fire in the evening. Lisa comes home from work and just feels homely. Have the wood burner going. Let's just do one more. Oh yeah. Right, that's plenty. Let's see if we've got some bits here for getting things going. There we go, good. Right guys, wow. As you can see, the sun's going down now. It's probably going to be a bit bright to point you at the sun. Sun's going down in the west. A decent tub of wood there for the wood burner for this evening. Pocky wants some more ball games. So, hang on a minute guys, let's kick this ball. Lost me. Where are you? Hold on. Didn't like that much. So, oh, Pocky, copped it in the mouth, copped it in the chops. Okay guys, well, nice to check in with you. So it's nice afternoon here. It's been a lovely day and we've got a few little things done out of the way just in case it does rain tomorrow. I've got some technology jobs waiting for when if we do get some bad weather, so I've got that to do and out of the way. Alright guys, well I hope everyone's doing well. I hope the weather's being kind to you, and just a check-in from today, little things being done here, keeping on top of stuff. So speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.